Hey everyone, today I want to share how my day went and what I am slowly changing in my daily routine. Yesterday I decided that no matter what, I would study for at least 15 minutes every day. So today instead of forcing myself into heavy studying, I chose to begin with journaling. I picked up my notebook and started writing whatever was going on in my mind. As I wrote, I noticed something interesting. My thoughts were very repetitive. I hope I have pronounced it right. The same ideas, the same worries coming up again and again. Writing them down made that very clear. I also realized that even though my clarity is better than it used to be, there's still a lot of room for improvement. At one point, I thought to myself that I should have started journaling much earlier, but then I reminded myself that it doesn't really matter. What matters is that I have started now. It is never too late. I didn't want to overstrain myself, so I stopped before it became exhausting. I don't want to write for 1 or 2 hours today and then quit tomorrow. I want I want slow, sustainable progress. My plan is simple. Start with 10 minutes and increase it gradually. Maybe from 10 to 11 minutes, then 12, then 13, step by step. Later, I watched a few videos and I had an important realization. Earlier, I used to watch a lot of videos but never took notes. Because of that, I would forget almost everything I watched. That, ha- that habit has been costing me in terms of learning. One of the videos I watched today was about how to use AI effectively. The main idea was simple. AI can either make you much smarter or much dumber. It completely depends on how you use it. The speaker shared three powerful ways to use AI properly. First, use AI for evaluation, give it your work and ask it to correct you, improve you, and show you better ways of doing the same thing. That is exactly what I'm doing with my speeches. Second, use AI as a rival or devil's advocate. Instead of letting it agree with you, ask it to challenge your ideas and question your thinking. Third, use AI for simulation. Ask questions like what will happen if I do this consistently? What if I delay it? What if I stay disciplined for 30 days? This helps you think long term. The second video I watched was about studying and habit building. The main idea was that studying should become as automatic as brushing your teeth, something you do daily without overthinking it. To reach that point, you need to start very small and then build gradually. I really liked the idea of gamifying the process, treating each small increase as a level. If you increase your study time by even 1 minute, that is progress. That is the next level. I'm personally applying this idea right now. I have gamified my routine. Each day I try to slightly increase the time I spend on studying, journaling and creating content. Another important realization I have had is this: real clarity only comes after taking action. You can't fully plan everything before you start. Once you begin, only then do you understand what is working and what is not. For example, earlier I was uploading both my broken speech and the improved version, but later I realized that a better approach is to focus on the improved version. The goal isn't to read scripts blindly. The goal is to learn the pattern behind them. Over time, that makes speaking clearer and less exhausting. So, this is where I am right now, taking small actions, learning from them, and adjusting as I go. That is it for today. Thanks a lot for watching.